Not going to all be replaced by robots, because the economy of tomorrow will have enormous space for those with the
got lost and had to be replaced by one crafted by a ceramic artist. The museum wanted to keep their investment in a...
You will be replaced by artificial intelligence in our lifetimes. Do you feel...
And my time with them can't be replaced by the money that I would make in Russia. My son will only be...
Imagination and idealism will be replaced by economic calculation, the endless solving of technical problems. Completely, malaise will be replaced by the biochemistry of bliss. This is a prediction which, though it occurs...
And a lot of people's worries about income inequality and blue-collar work will be replaced by confidence that comes from all the blue-collar...
The ball may suddenly be replaced by more than one ball. The ball may wander around.
Our fears will be replaced by the courage of our convictions. Life is perfect for...
said one day it will be replaced by a new covenant. The law of Moses is not even in effect now. It is...
And a senator can be replaced by a governor. I mean, if you die...
For the God who disappeared from it to be replaced by another. Hence I'm moving towards my...
Could be replaced by a raucous summer. Thank you.
Or be replaced by the many who are now out of work. Here in Victoria,
because the culture of the bribe has to be replaced by good governance that doesn't favor
things to be replaced by brutalist concrete. Much of this came after his...
Something that's there that needs to be replaced by better ideas. And so one of the keys...
Intense graduate level education is going to be replaced by this book. What he wants you...
And current sovereign immunity doctrine would be replaced by Congress may subject state...
be able to do away with colleges, and they will be replaced by technology. That's not going to happen.
He will dominate, and then it will slowly be replaced by another. In all of those policies,
end of light will be replaced by a more spheroidal distribution of light.
And so the sun, born in the
people we want to defeat are defeated. They might be replaced by people we like even less. And all this was started by us invading.
To be replaced by technology anytime soon is just like a girls soccer coach, and that girls soccer coach
income was about to be replaced by about $6,000 of streaming income. Streams paid
jobs in a short period of time may be replaced by technology or be irrelevant altogether.
So those kind of tasks will be replaced by machines, but people are still so much better at...
It should really be replaced by the greatest theory in the history of human civilization.
Some of these jobs will be replaced by machines. On the other hand, we have about 1 million...
Right? They can always be replaced by somebody else. They may not have relationships with another human being.